Let's make dum ka gosht. Half bunch of mint leaves and parsley leaves. Add some water, make fine paste and keep aside. Half cup dry roasted chana dal, make fine powder, keep aside. Half kg mutton, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/3 teaspoon allspices powder. Then add roasted chana dal powder, 5 green chillies crushed. Then add mint and parsley leaves paste. Mix all ingredients well. Then add half lemon juice. Mix it well. Add 65 ml oil. Then add marinated mutton. Then don't stir it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, flip other side. Then cook on slow flame for 5 minutes. Then add chopped onions. Mix it up and down. Then add 1 glass water. Then cook in pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Minutes later, mix it well, then saute it well. It look like this. Yummiest dum ka goshi is ready. Enjoy with paratha.